Hi there, I'm Bob Graham, president of Riggs Asset Management Company. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite asset classes. That's gold. We have owned gold off and on in our portfolios for over 30 years. And we do it for several reasons. One, it can be a great hedge against inflation or market concerns. It can be a hedge against geopolitical events. Right now, it's interesting. If you look back, let's say last year, for example, we've owned gold for 18 months, almost 2 years now. Last year gold actually outperformed the stock market. I know there's a lot of talk about all the changes in technology with artificial intelligence and what's happening in those areas. And as you know, we're heavily represented in that space. But gold, in a very, very quiet way, just outperformed the US stock market. And in fact, if you go back to 1971, when the US first came off the gold standard, gold and the stock market, or as measured by the S&P 500, they're almost identical. In fact, if you own gold back then and the S&P 500, you'd find that gold is just slightly outperforming. So what's driving gold today? Why is gold hitting all-time new highs? We think there's a couple of reasons. One, we think there's concern about geopolitical events around the globe. People are concerned about inflation, not just in this country, but inflation in Europe, inflation in Asia, inflation in Latin America. The entire globe is feeling this inflationary bent. And so gold is benefiting from that. The other thing that's driving is we've actually seen the largest increase in purchases by central banks all around the globe on buying gold and adding gold to their portfolios as a hedge to protect them against, concerns about the dollar or concerns of whatever they may have. Regardless, the demand for gold is on the rise. As we look forward and we look into the future, we think, there's a strong impulse for gold to continue to move higher. We think it not only hits new highs like it just did recently, but continues to move higher, acts as a hedge against inflation, acts as a hedge against geopolitical events, but more importantly, acts as a rising store of value in our portfolios. So right now, we like gold. We like other areas, but we think gold is just a unique position that right now is really benefiting our portfolios. Anyway, if you have any questions about this or any other subjects you may have, please reach out to your Riggs team. We're there to help you. Whatever questions you may have, whether it's about gold, other financial questions, or just questions in general, we're here to help you. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful, and I'll look forward to talking to you again soon.